Look at how clean this thing is. It's like it's been stored and not used for decades. Okay, straight back, boys. Let's go.
Don't move the trash can.
Are you prejudiced against other colors? Red, red, and red in here right now.
You know, I was thinking that yesterday when this is getting ready to come back.
Yeah.
No, but I have prejudice against Fords and Mopars.
Fords and Mopars.
Yeah.
Let's keep them. Yep. They look good. This thing is gonna be loud.
Let's start it.
How's it feel?
Oh man, it's perfect.
He doesn't want you to leave.
Yeah, so they're 2 1/4.
And boy, I hugged it.
You're coming out with, you got the winch on it.
Yeah.
1200 horsepower in this all steel Chevy Impala, and you're gonna be wheeling it. All right, our first look at the new tubes. They're big. One of my favorite things about this car is the stock steering wheel. Look at this boat. Look at that thing.
Big time. Big time. Big time.
Time to get to work, George.
Nah, I quit.
You're gonna need to get some of those cobwebs out of there.
Gotta leave the dragonfly.
Oh, look who's here. We have a visitor. Okay, straight back, boys. Let's go.
Don't move the trash can.
Ah, you're good.
Let's get that going.
Yeah, keep going.
This way comes fair.
And you're in.
Look at those babies.
3, 2.
Hey, welcome back to D-Loney V8 Motorsports. We're here at Burns Brothers Performance, and we are going to check out the Sinpala. We did name this thing.
We didn't name it.
Your brother Joe.
He actually did. Yeah.
Joe did. He's from California. He's a pretty cool kid, and he came up with a good name, the Sinpala. That's what we're going with. So we haven't airbrushed it yet or made shirts, but that's coming. So anyway, this thing's got headers on it now. The motor's in it. It's got a parachute. It's got all the sub work done. Now George is going to get busy. What are you going to do to this thing?
Well, I'm going to start by taking the engine back out and going to paint the firewall and the new bars that Justin Brenneman put in on the front, paint the trunk, and then we're going to mount the fuel system, get the fuel lines on this thing, basically get everything ready to wire it. So, and then it'll go to Scott Davis for wiring.
Nice. So pretty much final installation and paint, and then wiring is going to be the last thing. It's going to go to Scott Davis Automotive up in Milano, and then this thing's going to fire. That's going to be a big day. Let's kick it off here. Cheers! Sunday fun day. It's Brett's favorite day here at the shop. Right, Brett? Right, Brett? Woo. Yeah, good job. All right, stay with us. We're going to take you around this thing. Close-ups. All right, our first look at the new tubes. They're big. Hooking up to the 632 cubic inch, 1100 horsepower big block. The glory. Look at those welds too. Beautiful. That wheel needs to be polished.
I was going to stop him, but I was like, nah.
Accosted by Buddy while I was trying to get a good shot of the tubes under here. Look at how clean this thing is. It's like it's been stored and not used for decades.
Yeah. Hey, it's like a time capsule.
Good clearance actually for the pipes. Giant pipes and collectors. Very low car, but it's clearing. It's looking good. I think Buddy thinks you're gonna fire it up or you're gonna leave. He doesn't want you to leave.
Yeah, so they're 2 1/4, 2 1/4 to 2 3/4.
He's like, ready, let's start it.
How's
Hit
it,
the button.
how's it feel?
Oh man, it's perfect. It's perfect. Perfect fit.
One of my favorite things about this car is the stock steering wheel. Look at this boat. Look at that thing. 1,100 horsepower.
12.
Just gonna, oh, sorry, 12. Wow, I was been shorting you.
Yeah.
1,200 horsepower in this all steel Chevy Impala. And you're gonna be wheeling it.
Big time.
It's gonna go straight as a string. Giant tires on the back. Real glass, you can tell because of the flaws. 1962. Gonna need to get some of those cobwebs out of there.
Gotta leave the dragonfly.
Oh, look who's here. We have a visitor. Oh, well, actually, you're not a visitor. You live here.
Wait a second.
Nice. Time to get to work, George.
Nah, I quit. I changed my mind.
You just come out here and you just like roll a dice. Am I going to work on the El Camino, that one,
Yeah.
this one?
Tear an engine apart.
Yeah.
Put one together. Yeah, I don't know.
Are you prejudiced against other colors? It's red, red, and red in here right
You know,
now.
I was thinking that yesterday when this is getting ready to come back.
Yeah.
No, but I have prejudice against Fords and Mopars.
Fords and Mopars.
Yeah.
Let's keep them out.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't need them.
Nice. We need some maybe white or silver cars in here, something like that. Black. You've had those.
I've had.
Yeah, we need more.
Yeah.
All right.
You got to go through the rotation.
True. Let's look at this side. Oh, yeah. Yep. They look good. This thing is going to be loud.
We pull on the parachute mount.
Yeah. Testing it. Okay, I'm pulling.
Mint right there.
Hey, we are rolling. He's causing me to have to preview carefully. Okay.
Who's steering this thing? Well, somebody's.
You turn the wheels to the left. Is the wheel look up?
Hold on. Everybody,
I got this side.
everybody, put in your opinion. Yeah. Watch the profanity. Bring it back.
Turn to your left, George. No, you can't go right. You gotta go left. Back bumper's gonna hit
I
the
was
table.
turning left.
I know you were. He told you go right, but he turned the wheel to the left. I'm standing behind the car.
All right, everybody out.
Stay straight.
Everybody out of the pool.
Floor jack.
Looking
That
pretty
pitch
good.
sounds great.
Looking pretty good.
The thing just doesn't roll right now.
Keep pulling.
Yeah, pull back a little bit.
I take it back. I don't want you to race this. I want you just to take it back home and put it back in the shop.
I can confirm this car's heavy.
Too much work.
I got Dave. Maybe.
Okay, you're in the shop. You got a foot on the side.
Turn
on the
left,
hoist.
George. Wheel to the left, George. Straight a little more.
All right, unhook that winch.
The lizards are falling out of the trees.
Seriously?
Oh,
Am I the only one for the intro?
It gets too cold for them.
Oh yeah, do we need a beer?
Yeah, yeah, stiffen up and
What,
paralyze.
what is going on here? That's a rookie.
Dave's out of sorts.
We are
He is-
recording.
It's too early for him.
I'm the one that's out of sorts.
Scott asked, where's your beer? You guys do beer on every opening.
The car's back.
10:25.
Clock starts.
Come forward a little, George.
Forward.
Yeah. Here, Dave, you should turn to the side. All right.
All right.
Is this where you,
No, too close. And you're in.
Look at those babies.